birds.
What about the oils on your hands? Though?
No, it's a myth. On Tuesday. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Emmy, no. No. You want to go back in your nest now? Yeah, go back to your mommy. You get it? Yeah. So I'm with Emster and I'm just playing with her. Comment down below if you want us to make this a daily thing. A daily vlog. I'm at Lowe's with my parents because they're painting their room. Because they just want to paint the room. Oh. I put them on both of my hands and it's so heavy. Ow. Hello, welcome to my new kitchen. I have a sink. That's just a tag that says do not turn on the sink. I have some things. Brand new kitchen. The oven. No, this is the dishwasher. Oh, this is the oven. This is the oven. And yeah, and a fridge. There is no food inside because I don't have any food. I'm poor. I don't have any food. I have enough money to get a kitchen, but not food. Let's go around here, and I have some drawers right here, and a nice painted wall. A view of another kitchen. It's just my neighbor's house. Yeah. Some drawers. These are nice. I've seen these before because I got them, but if you can see right here, this is my kitchen, my neighbor's house, and then look at the ceiling. Oh, it's a fake kitchen. Oh, I thought it was my kitchen. I'm just in my kitchen getting some soap and gonna wash my hands. Oh, it doesn't work. The drain's fake because it shows under there. Ah, my hand's getting soaked in. Not really, but. There's a birdie inside. Do you see it? Look right there. Come back, birdie. Come back. I've seen a lot of birds today. Hello, little birdie. Are you hurt? Oh, he's flying. He's flying away. He's up there. Oh. Hello, little birdie. Look, what a beautiful day. Let's go outside. Oh. Shoot. It looks like it's outside. That's funny. So that is it for the video. Sorry, my hair's weird. It's the next day, the day I'm uploading. So, yeah. Vote for us, and I will put the link in the description. And right now, we're just painting, so this is going to be part of tomorrow's vlog, I guess. So, yeah. Bye.